pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. So high, I might never come down, so what, this is my lifestyle.
What's up guys, welcome back to another week's episode. Apologies for not posting last week, and this week's video is a bit delayed, or posting a bit later. It's just been a bit chaotic my side. Also got the cycle tour coming up this week, and I don't even know if I'm ready for that. Don't have a bike. The bike is sent away, it's being repaired. The wheel spoke came out, so we're having the spoke repaired. I injured myself at gym. I need a neck alignment, so I don't even know if I'm gonna make the tour, but we'll see how it goes. Hopefully I can finish, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, in today's episode, as you can tell by the title or the thumbnail, we are assembling the car. So without any further ado, let's get straight into that. Current state of the car. We've put the rear bumper on, lights on, and then also got the bonnet on, and we're currently in the process of getting the front bumper on. I must admit it looks a bit more appealing now, starting to feel a little bit better, seeing that the pieces are coming together and coming on. Back looks a bit more presentable. It's starting to look like a car again, and I actually like how this looks. I don't know if I mentioned it previously, but I personally would have gone for a thinner pipe, but also I think this one just needs to come out a little bit further and maybe at more of an angle. So if we do fit a full exhaust system on here, I'll maybe ask them to get the tailpiece slightly bit more out and maybe at a bit of an angle. But that's all small adjustments, and that we can sort out when we do an exhaust system. But yeah, like I say, it's starting to look a bit more presentable. I still don't see the glitter or the pearl, but yeah, we'll have to wait and see after the buff, the polish, the flat, and all of that. We got the jack over here because we need to loosen the bolt in there, and then that frame will drop if the jack is not holding it up. So we got the jack set up there for that, and we're going to put the front bumper on and install the rest of the front. We also do have a new grille. The previous grille, or the old grille, was slightly damaged, so new grille. We'll probably do different lights eventually. We've gone with the single grille for now, so we're keeping it at that. We can't, or I personally can't find a double grille for this car brand new, and I would like to see how that looks on here, but at the moment I can't seem to find one, so we're going to keep this current setup with the single grills, single lights, apologies. However, we might eventually do like the crystal cross lights for the headlights. Yeah, still need to put the indicators in on the side. This side, however, this panel is a bit annoying because I'm not sure if you get different fenders or what, but this one stands out quite proud and we couldn't get it to align properly. But yeah, small things like that. That is a bit of a eyesore, a headache, but it is what it is. We just got to accept that for now. Anyway, yeah, let's get back to installing the front bumper, and then also later on they're coming to fit the front and rear windows. So once that's in, the car will be almost complete on the outside exterior, I think. Just obviously the side windows for the doors, mirrors, and then we need to get that arch cover over here. I wonder if a Mark 1 will fit on here. I'm actually going to get a Mark 1 and see if it fits on here. I doubt it, but there's no harm in trying. So I might get one from Exclusive, check if they have. They had for the Mark 1 when I done the Mark 1, they had new ones. So I'm going to check if they have one just to see if it fits. No harm in trying that. The car out to the sun because it's extremely hot, so we put it in the shade. But yeah, front is assembled, bumpers on, it's the new grille is on. It's looking decent. Like I said, it's looking much more like a car now. If you go lower over here, you can see it's slightly still, that bottom piece is bent, but we definitely need to get a lip to fit on there. Spoiler lip, whatever you want to call it. And then I don't know how I'm feeling about these black indicator covers. I think we should try the white or perhaps the orange again, because I feel like this is just a bit too much black. I'm not really liking this look, but yeah, we'll get that and then just have a look how that looks. But my dad is just busy fitting the door rubbers, so he's got this one on already, the rubber in here, and then he's got this side on as well. So you can see there's some overspray from the previous spray job. I don't know how we're going to get that off, but we can try. But yeah, we'll just put it in here for the time being and we can clean it up again. So I'm going to fit the others, and then I must check. We don't know if the boot rubber is damaged, but we're going to see if it fits and we can use it. So that one in. Oh, they didn't do the window. We're still waiting for them to come fit the windscreen. And then yeah, we'll come back to this side and that one. So my brother and dad, they finished off assembling everything. I don't know if I showed you this. Windscreens have been fitted, front and rear. This we resprayed. This looks nice now. That's fitted. It looks much better now, I must admit. But yeah, car's been reassembled. Most of the stuff is back on. I see they got the mud flaps back on. Now I'm not a fan of the mud flaps on the Mark 2, but they wanted it back, so it's back on. Let me know in the comments what you think. Mud flaps, no mud flaps. Oh yes, this beading we still haven't put in yet. There's just a couple of things we need to get and see if we can reuse the one that was on here previously. But for now, that's not on. That needs to be put on, and then also that piece over there, we haven't found one of that yet. But apart from that, everything seems to be fitted. Oh yes, we still need to get side indicators, and then I think maybe orange or white. I don't know if this black is working. I feel like there's a bit too much black in the front, so maybe orange indicators, or maybe clear. And then obviously the lip for the front needs to be fit. We're still in search of one of those. Yeah, this needs to be replaced, but we just put it in temporarily. We need to find another one of this. This one is badly damaged, rusted here, so we just put it in to have it complete, but we are going to replace that once we find that. But yeah, overall not too bad. Blake gave it a wash, so it looks a bit better, but we'll see once the polish is done, the final product. So my dad managed to get these at Exclusive. These clip into the back of the rubber, and then also on the opposite side along the sill you'll find quite a few of them down here, you'll see. And then at the end of here there was one missing. We put a new clip in there, and then what we found out, there's not one at the end over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to add one in here, and we're actually going to just drill a hole in, find the right place to drill a hole, and then add some of these screws in there with a bit of Sikaflex. So we'll screw a hole in here, put Sikaflex in, and then screw down the screw. That's it for this week's episode, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Comment down below, mud flaps, no mud flaps. Let me know what you think. And yeah, I think we're going to start doing some stuff on the interior in the upcoming episodes. We still need to get a wheel for the car. We still need to drop the car, and then we'll have to take it from there. But it's looking a bit better. Like I said in the previous video, I'm not too happy with the spray job, but it does look much better, 90%, almost 100% better than what it looked like before we started, if that makes sense. Yeah, but anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.